So for this striped bracelet, you want to arrange the colours on the board in the order that you want them to be. And for this one, I'm doing 4 threads in the centre and 3 at either side. You can use as many or as few as you like, but for the central one, you will need an even number of threads. So to get started, I want to create my point for the chevron. So I'm going to take the 2 threads in the centre and I'm going to knot these together. And taking the colour next to that, I'm going to again knot towards the centre and then do the same at the other side. And then the 2 threads in the centre knot together. So next you're going to take one of your other colours and then you're going to work over this colour towards the centre the first time and then switching and going away from the centre the second time. And then you want to take the colour you've just worked over and work towards the centre. And then you want to do the same thing at the other side. So when you're working over the different colour, you want to work towards the centre the first time and then work away from the centre the second time. And then you want to work towards the centre with the thread that you just worked over. And then back in the centre, again, you just want to knot both the threads together. And then you want to take the next thread in your sequence, and because you're knotting over the same colour, you can just knot towards the centre both times. And then when you're working over your different colour, you want to knot towards the centre the first time, and then switch and knot away. And then knot towards the centre with your different colour. And then the same at the other side. And then knot your central threads together. So you want to keep repeating this until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it, just every time switching positions when you're going over a different colour. So after you've worked a few rows, you should see your stripes starting to take shape, and you can just continue doing this until you get the bracelet to the required length. And when you finish, you should end up with something that looks like this. And I've just finished the ends off with some braided tie-ons. So now you just want to try on your bracelet. And that is your completed triple striped friendship bracelet.